Hey, I want to do a quick little rundown of these new Leap Components Blip shifters. I usually ride gravel bikes, and I'm used to, shifting on the left on access to make it easier, shifting on the right to make it harder. And when I switched to access on this YT, I got the T-type stuff, GX. I really didn't like the shifter, so I went and found these. These are made in the Netherlands, with the blips and the mount and shipping and all that. It was like 130 bucks, and they were here in like 4 days. This stuff is all 3D printed, which kind of made me a little nervous, but they seem really sturdy. Of course, there's a blip button cover. I mean, that's it right there, that they install for you when you buy the whole thing. Yeah. I mean, one downside to the blips is that they don't, there's no servicing them. There's just, replacing them. But they're so discreet. They're just exactly where you want them. You just bump them with the side of your thumb. And that's it. Super low key. Again, that's Leap Components. I like them. One thing, if you get these, make sure you get clearance for your dropper post lever. You gotta adjust that. You don't want to bang that. Shift every time you drop. Really like them. They have them a couple different styles. They have one that, instead of having a left and a right, this button also has another button on the back. So if you're used to the old, shifters where it's, boom, and then hitting with your finger on the back. So it's like two buttons together. And they also have one, as opposed to coming down like this, it goes straight across right here. I really like this spot. It's very ergonomic, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Again, those are Leap Components underbar mounts, 3D printed, 133 bucks out the door. Yeah, I like them.